8 Witta Circle. Newly constructed in 2011, this 6-bedroom home is located in the desirable street that is Witta Circle. Witta Circle is but a short walk away to the famous Hastings Street and Noosa main beach. Guests that reside at Witta Circle enjoy the close proximity to amenities with the added extra of not needing to use their cars. Arranged over 2 levels, number 8 has been turned into a chic, modern property by a local building design team. With 2 lounge areas, fully equipped kitchen and dining area on the lower level, and the 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms all on the upper floor, this house certainly offers space and comfort. The home has a Bose surround sound audio system, 5 televisions, DVD players and cable TV. The outdoor area is ideal for relaxing and enjoying a spot of lunch whilst overlooking the pool and heated spa. You are able to enjoy the terrace even in the wet weather, as all seating and lounge chairs are located undercover. A side lawned area that is great for children completes the outdoor facilities. For more information, please contact one of our holiday rental team.